Looking to bring your dull saw blades back to life? Today, we're diving into the best saw blade sharpeners out there, ranked from weakest to strongest, so you can find the right one for your workshop or garage. Starting off our list is the Oregon 88025 blade grinder, sitting at the number 5 spot. It's designed mainly for sharpening lawnmower blades, so if you're working on more general purpose saw blades, this one might not be for you. That said, it's a reliable and budget-friendly tool for basic sharpening tasks. The Oregon is equipped with a third of a horsepower motor spinning at 1750 RPM, which is decent for smaller sharpening jobs. Its 8-inch grinding wheel is great for longer edges, and it's built with a safety switch and easy height adjustments. These features make it simple and safe to use, ideal if you're just getting started or doing maintenance on standard lawnmower blades. But here's where it falls behind. It's not built for versatility. It lacks a built-in light, and the fixed grinding angle means you're limited when it comes to more complex blade shapes. It's not meant for heavy-duty or professional work, so don't expect to sharpen a wide range of blades with this machine. If you're someone who mainly deals with lawnmower blades and wants a straightforward, no-fuss sharpener, this is a solid entry-level option. It's simple, affordable, and gets the job done. And hey, if you're interested, I've linked all the products in the description below at the best prices I could find. Coming in at number 4 is the YWTR electric circular saw blade sharpener. This one's got a compact, lightweight design and a good range of blade compatibility, making it a step up in flexibility from the Oregon. If you're sharpening various circular saw blades at home, this might be the tool for you. The 3800 RPM motor gives it more speed and power, and it can handle blade diameters from 3.5 up to 15.75 inches. It's also got a motor that tilts 25 degrees in either direction, so you're not stuck with a one-angle-fits-all situation. That means more accuracy and better sharpening for different tooth patterns. But don't get too excited just yet. This sharpener isn't perfect. Some users have raised concerns about its build quality. It feels a bit more like a budget tool, and the setup instructions can be confusing, especially if you're not already familiar with how sharpeners work. So who's this for? If you're a hobbyist or a weekend DIYer and need something lightweight with a bit more range than the Oregon, this could be your go-to. Just be ready to tinker a bit to get the hang of it. And if you're liking this review so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a breakdown like this one. Sliding into third place is the Huanyu RCB-350W. This one means business. With a powerful 350 watt motor spinning at a blazing 5000 RPM, it's designed to get blades sharp fast. If you're looking for performance, this one definitely raises the bar. What sets the Huanyu apart is its high-speed motor and range of adjustable grinding angles, allowing for more precision in your sharpening work. Plus, it can handle a wide range of blade sizes, from small to almost 20 inches in diameter. That makes it ideal for folks who work with different types of saws and need a tool that can keep up. But there's a catch. First off, it runs on 220 volts, which means you'll likely need a converter if you're in the US. That adds cost and inconvenience. Second, it's not the cheapest option out there, so it's more of an investment than a quick fix. If you're a serious DIYer or small business owner who doesn't mind spending a little more upfront and dealing with a power converter, this sharpener could pay off in precision and efficiency. Let's move on to the runner-up, which brings even more versatility to the table. At number 2, we've got the TECHTONGDA 220 volt dry saw blade grinder. This is where things start to feel a lot more professional. Built like a tank and made for big jobs, this sharpener is perfect for folks who work with large blades or need something reliable for heavy use. It handles a wide range of blade diameters, up to a whopping 27.5 inches, and it's got an adjustable grinding angle up to 30 degrees. That means you can sharpen just about anything with this machine. It's powerful, dependable, and built to last. The main downside? Like the Huanyu, it requires 220 volts and is heavy, over 50 pounds. So portability is definitely not its strong suit, and setup might not be plug and play if you're running on a standard outlet. Still, if you're running a small shop or doing regular blade maintenance, the performance and build quality make this a worthwhile upgrade. But if you want the absolute best combination of power, range, and ease of use, our number one pick might be exactly what you need. And finally, our top pick, the TECHTONGDA full automatic circular saw blade sharpener. If you want the best of the best, this is it. It's basically the previous model, but with automation added, and that makes a world of difference. This sharpener does most of the work for you. With fully automatic operation, you just set it up and let it go. It still fits the same massive range of blade sizes and offers the same adjustable grinding angles, but now you don't need to manually operate it. That's a huge win if you're dealing with a lot of blades regularly. Of course, it's still a 220 volt machine, and it's just as heavy as the manual version. So again, you'll need the right power setup and a dedicated space for it. But honestly, the convenience and time saved with automation more than make up for those trade-offs. This one's for the pros. If you want a long-term solution for sharpening a variety of blades with minimal effort, this machine is worth every penny. It's reliable, powerful, and efficient, everything a top-tier sharpener should be. So there you have it, our full lineup from basic to best. If you're ready to pick one up, check out the links in the description to grab the top rated models at the best prices. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've got more great gear reviews coming your way soon.